West today, the very best 153 things you must do. Number 152, the Key West Butterfly and Nature Conservatory. Got 2 pages on this one with lots of good pictures. Escape the hustle and bustle and stroll through a magical and breathtaking climate-controlled, glass-enclosed butterfly habitat filled with hundreds of the most beautiful winged creatures found in nature. Mingle with more than 50 butterfly species from around the world, along with over 20 exotic bird species and flowering plants, a gazebo and benches to relax on, cascading waterfalls and tropical trees set to relaxing music suited perfectly for nature watching. There's a butterfly gift shop, the Wings of Imagination, art gallery, and a learning center where you can explore butterfly anatomy, physiology, life cycle, feeding, and the migratory world of the Royal Monarch butterfly. It's located at 1316 Duval Street. The attraction cost is $12. It should be right around there. That fluctuates. It's been a couple of years since I wrote this. Children are cheaper. 3 and under are free. Seniors and military get a discount. They're opening from 9 to 5 year-round. So go on over there. You got to say hi to the 2 Key West celebrities, Rhett and Scarlett. They're probably a good, I'm going to guesstimate, maybe 4 feet tall and very pink and very thin. They're flamingos. Have a great day. Hi from Key West.